Hello friends, welcome back. In this session, we will understand clearly how exactly to convert a text file to a PDF with Python. Yes, we are converting a text content into PDF with simple Python code. How do we do it? Very simple. We will first create a text file. The text file has got around 8 lines. I am Sriram Vasudevan. I am an Indian. I love India. Stay safe and maintain social distancing. We will beat Corona. Sachin Tendulkar is god of cricket. MST is a nice finisher. Ganguly is the best captain, best of all captains. This is what I have created as a text file. Now, what do? We need to convert this as a PDF. Let's see how exactly we can do it with the simple Python code. And it's the same thing that we have done in the last case, but we have got some minor changes that will enable us to use the text file as an input file and to convert it to a PDF. Right. What is the first step? As usual, we need to import CV2, and from FPDF, we need to import FPDF capital. Now, what is the first step? We need to create a variable called PDF and assign FPDF to it. Once it is done, things are very easy. We need to add page. Add page is nothing but to create a page. The moment you create a page, you need to set the font and the size of the text content that you have. Now, I have the file name as text.txt, and I need to open it in read-only format, and the return value will be available in FD, which is like a file descriptor in the operating system. And how do we now go about it? We need to use a for loop, and with the for, I'll start reading through the content in the cell one by one using pdf.cell, and I will align it center alignment is followed, and that will be printed as a PDF file. Now, let me go through this particular line again. For I in FD, which means this FD has the return value and has got reference to the text file. So with that, we specify 210. That means how much space should be there between each and every line, and each character of this, each of these will be read through and will be aligned with center alignment, and center justification will be done and will be stored as a file called as text.pdf, text underscore test.pdf or something we have created. And let's run this right now. /19.19pdf.py. I'll check if yes, the file is created. Test file.pdf is created. Can we open and see if it is really created? Yes, we got to see it now. Yeah, everything is properly created, and you can see that the text file is converted simply to a PDF file without any issue. Now I'm going to make it left justified. Also, I'm going to change it a little bit. For example, I'm going to make it somewhere close to 150. Will not be a bigger difference when you see it, but when you make it 5 or 10, you will see a major difference. Let's compile it. Now it has to be left justified in the PDF. Let's see if it has really gone that way. Yes, a new file has been created. Test underscore file1.pdf is done. I'm opening it, and it's completely left justified in this case. Last time it was center justification, and this time it is left justification. That's all. It's very easy for you to use and to convert some textual content to PDF, and this is the way you could do it. Thank you very much for following my channel and the content. If you have any questions, suggestions, please go ahead and type it in the comment section. I'll be happy to answer it. If you like this channel, please subscribe. Thank you.